I just purchased this 1975 Honda Trail 90. Found it in Minnesota. Stuck in a garage for a couple of years. Tires eventually need to be replaced. Engine is rotating, but air filter completely disintegrated. That's not good. Found them online. They're very cheap, so at least that's not going to be a problem. And I just removed the battery. There's no acid. I have to add acid, so either I'm gonna buy a new battery or just add some acid to this one. But I think the condition is pretty good. Oh yeah, except for the muffler. But other than that, looks pretty decent. So we'll have to slowly bring it back to life. So like I said, first air filter, then I'm gonna drain the oil, clean the oil filter, clean the fuel filter, clean the tank, and we'll try to start up the engine. And then I'm gonna work on the suspension and tires. Don't lose them. No, there's only one on this side. Okay, let's see. Okay, well, that gives us access to the carburetor, which we'll have to clean anyway pretty soon. We'll try to remove this. So no, this stud.
Okay.
Perfect. Well, let me make it easier for you. Okay, now.
Okay. No. Can this work?
Well, let me show you the fast way. I mean, a little bit faster.
I think.
Honest.
No.
Not yet. Still stuck. The carburetor definitely needs some cleaning. And we also need to do the valve adjustment.
There you go.
Okay. Alright, try to remove it from the carb.
Place that.
Okay, so we have access to the carburetor. I think we also have some remnants of dead animals and filter or whatever is left out of it. Okay, so we have exposed all the internal elements. This is in pretty good shape, so we just need to purchase air filter foam. Ah, maybe we can still clean it and reuse it. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's just the foam, but I don't know how you're gonna reattach it. That's your fault.
Okay. Okay, now we're draining the oil. Oil was pretty clean, so I'm not sure that was just the previous owner just changed it, or it was like that. But
How do you know the oil was good? Because it was draining?
well, it was actually clear. It wasn't even fully black. I mean, this engine only has 1,700 miles, so it's nothing. And now we're just trying to take off the skid plates to clean the engine, clean the bottom of the engine. Oh, it was made in Japan. That's good. Okay, skid plate has been removed. Oil is still dripping, and the engine looks pretty clean, except for maybe one leak here and some seals. We'll investigate, clean it up and investigate. Okay, so I took the skid plate off and started applying some WD-40 to the bottom of the engine, and we'll see, maybe we'll have to replace some of the seals, like the gear shifter or the low-high gearbox. Other than that, it looks pretty good. So the next, I'm going to remove the carburetor and clean the undercarriage with the kickstand, and we'll take it from there. I have not mentioned that before, but I guess the main idea is to restore this motorcycle to drivable condition, so we can go and actually do a little off-roading. I don't want to, I mean, it's actually in pretty good shape, so I don't want to restore it to some sort of I don't know, museum condition. It just I want the engine to be perfectly set and adjusted and working, no leaks obviously, but this is going to be a working engine or working motorcycle, not just perfectly restored you know, piece. So that's the idea. And tomorrow I already ordered a battery, so tomorrow I'm just gonna check the electrical system. So this is the cable that operates the throttle.
Oh.
Okay. There's a little plunger and the needle, so we gotta be careful not to damage that. This is very flimsy, not too sophisticated. Okay, let's drain the carburetor. See if we can do that. Okay, oh, we got some flow. Now, am I actually draining just the carburetor, or that actually flows all the way from the tank? Because the tank is full. Which way is closed? Open, off. Here. Oh, it's actually in reserve. Oh, okay. So I think we have the carburetor drained. Try to approach it from the other side.
No, I don't look.
No?
It's already
Loosen?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Carburetor is coming out. Just now we have to eliminate these fuel return and in and out. Let's see if we can use this homemade spreading tool. Get the instrument ready. Let's see. We are pulling the fuel line, and like I said,
like this or?
no, just the plastic.
Oh.
No, Philip, with that in, I mean, it doesn't really matter, but yeah. Let's see what happens. Fuel might just start gushing.
Should you get a clip?
Oh, see, here we go. Plug that in. Perfect. Good job.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Good thing we anticipated that. So, this is nasty.
Smells great.
I know. Ah, do you have matches?
Mm-hmm.